Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. What we have here is a broken office chair. This is also the chair she was sitting in when I scared the bejesus out of her. Hey Kelly! Jesus! You're welcome. I've had these office chairs for about 25 years. I love them. They can recline, they can go up and down. They're wonderful. Now I don't want to spend $200 on a new office chair. I like these, I grew up with these, so I'm going to try and fix it. What's wrong with this is the piston works just fine. The piece that holds the leg and the piston together, that's what broke. I've got the old pieces here, and if I pull this out, I can show you a close-up of the piece that broke. I'll be right there. Here's the piece that broke. Had 5 ball bearings in a kind of a star pattern, and this snapped off and didn't work anymore. I bought a new kit. I'll put the link in the description below. Let me show you what that kit looks like. I bought this from Chair Parts Online. This is called a thrust bearing and clip. Here's all the pieces that come with it. There's the piece that broke, that kind of 5-star pattern ball bearing set. Why don't you join me while I repair this, and we can figure it out together. This one came with easy directions. So what we're going to do first is install A, B1, C, B2 as shown. So we're going to put that together. All right. I don't know what this is focusing on. I'm hoping that it's focusing on this and not my face. Okay, I'm sorry. You get a real close shot of my face on this one, so you're welcome. Okay, first step, take all the pieces out of the bag. Okay, first thing is put this nice thick rubber piece on. Next, one of these black metal washers. Then the ball bearing piece. And then another washer. Next, it says to insert the piston inside the column. This is what this means. Let's take the base and put it on. Hopefully you can see that. All right, this last step is to put on the washer and the clip. And what you have to be careful with is you want to make sure that this tab faces the ground. Now, in this case, it's upside down, so we'll want it to face up. Washer. Tab faces up. And it kind of slides right on that groove. So I'm going to push it with something besides my nails or my fingers. Just going to use this screwdriver. Push it on. So it's about halfway on. I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm just hitting it with the butt end of the screwdriver. It's almost on. That is on. Let me turn it so you can see it. So that is now on. The bottom of the piston is now in the middle of that circle, so that will not come off unless this breaks again. That was it. That took me about 5 minutes. Well, there you go. That took me 5 minutes to do. Everything's nice and new. It works. Let's turn it right side up and see if I can actually sit on it and not fall to the floor. I don't know if you can see me. Well, now that my chair is all fixed, I'm happy. My wife will be happy. This is the chair that you see her working on when she's scrapbooking in the basement. This is also the chair she was sitting in when I scared the bejesus out of her. Hey, Kelly. Jesus! You're welcome. So you can swivel, you can lean back. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. I will add the link for the kit I used to fix this chair in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.